English name? What is your English name?
Shit.
Mickey? Mickey Mouse? Mickey? Mickey? Oh, so you write for me. Oh, very big. Okay, Mickey. I thought Milky. Okay, wait, Mickey. So you're Mickey. Okay. Yes, I think so. You're Mickey. Come here. Over here. How old are you, Mickey? Okay, 11 years old. Okay, what are your hobbies? Your hobby? Sleeping. Sleeping. Playing cell phone games. Oh, I think so. Oh, what is your hobby? What is your hobby? Playing?
Playing